In this video, I will show you how to sell ebooks on Shopify. So there's a specific app that I recommend for doing this, and in this video I'll share with you which one that is and why, and how you can fully set it up to sell your ebooks through your Shopify products. So the ebook will be automatically delivered to the customer and they can just download it, and that all happens on autopilot by using this app. Now, first of all, if you have not yet created your Shopify account, you can do so through the link down in the description, and you will get access to a free trial and your first month for just €1, dollar, or pound. So if you want to claim that deal, click on the link down in the description, enter your email address and click start free trial. You don't even need to add any payment details and it will just take a few seconds. So after setting up your account, what you want to go and do is in the search bar right here, click on apps and then type in big right here. Then if you search big in the Shopify App Store, the first app after these 4 ads will be Big Digital Downloads Products. So go and click on that one, and they have a free plan available and they score 5 stars out of 5 with 647 reviews, which is really good. Now you can see a preview of what it looks like, so thank you for purchasing, and then here they can download your product and you can see it right here as well. So it looks really good and they will get automatic emails and stuff like that. Now you can see right here there is a free plan available with 500 MB storage, which will be enough for most ebooks. You can do 15 orders per month, up to 3 products, unlimited license keys, and download files by URL. Now if you want to get more, for example unlimited orders, then you want to get the Pro plan, and then there are some more features such as a custom sender that you will unlock in the even more premium plans. But you can just get started with it for free, which is really good. So go and click on install right here. That will take you to the following page, and from here you want to go and confirm that you want to install the app by clicking on install again, and then you will have downloaded the Big Digital Download app onto your Shopify store. So then it will open it up automatically. Now you will get an offer for the all access plan for just $12.49 per month, but you can simply skip this by clicking right there. And now we have enabled the app, created your first Shopify product. So if you have not done that yet, then you want to just go and follow those 2 steps as well, but it's really straightforward. And here at the top, you want to go and set it to your language if it's available. Otherwise, I would just go with English. And then just click on create my first digital product. Then here select a product that you want to sell as this digital product. For example, the subscription box, that could be my ebook. And then here you have the name of the product, and customers will get access to digital files or license keys or even both. If you sell an ebook, you want to select a digital file, and the digital product consists of either a link or a digital file or both. Now you want to go and select digital file for just an ebook. Now you can also limit the download in time and limit the downloads per order. Then you can notify previous customers when files or links are updated. So then they will send an email, and then here just upload your ebook. And again, it can be up to 500 MB in the free plan. For example, this could be my file, but you just want to upload your ebook. And then after you do that, over at the right here, you will see a preview of the email that people will get when they purchase the digital product. Now stuff like the name right here will be populated automatically. So it will say, thank you for purchasing from our store. You can download your purchased files below, and then they can go and click on the download button and then they can download it. Now you can also see it at checkout. So at checkout, they can also download the product. And then once they click on download, they will get the file or files that you upload right here. So just gonna click save in the top right, and you will see this app is extremely easy to use and very good. So if you now click on the subscription box here, it will take you to the website. And what I recommend you to do is to just go and click on discounts right here, and then create a 100% off one-time purchase for the product that you are selling with your ebook. Because then what you can do is just create a test order for yourself and see if the ebook does indeed arrive and people actually get it. So I'll just do this right now. So this is the product I added it to, so I'll just click buy it now. Although I haven't set up payments for my store yet, so I cannot actually do this, but you can if you have set up your payments. And if you don't know how to do that, just go to settings in the bottom left, then here click payments, and then I recommend just setting up the Shopify payments, but you can also do PayPal and stuff like that. So just create the discount, order it, see if you get the ebook and if everything is correct, and it probably will be since this app does work very well. And if it is, then you can just go and sell it to other people. Now you will see the file I uploaded is only a really tiny part of the maximum amount, but this amount is, for example, if you want to sell a course, it may be a little bit too little, but for an ebook it is more than enough, and you can do up to 15 orders completely for free, and you can do up to 3 ebooks. Now here you can also enable the download page, which is optional. I recommend just enabling it because then people will be able to get it at checkout where they can then download it, and they don't only need to get it through their email, but they can also download it directly after purchasing. Now finally you want to verify your store, so verify your store for free so limits are lifted and app branding is removed. So if you want to remove the big download branding right here, which you can see, then just open up the app and here click on verify your store. So click chat with us and here just say I want to verify my store, and then they will help you do that. So now you know how you can actually sell ebooks on Shopify. Again, if you want to get started with Shopify for free and get access to this deal, go and click on the link down in the description to get started. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.